Hi, I'm Alois and I'm the co-founder of Deepomatic. We help field companies such as telecom operators to solve one major problem, not knowing what really happens on the field because of the lack of reliable data. With the Deepomatic Field Vision platform, businesses leverage routine photos taken by field workers and technicians to digitize their assets and operations. They can now see and fix what's really happening in real time, but also to better pilot and optimize their operations. The Deepomatic Field Vision platform helps field operations companies to finally know what happens during their daily activities and on their physical infrastructure. Through the generation of reliable data, through the automated analysis of photos taken by workers, these companies they know what's happening, if their quality standards are respected, what's the physical health of their infrastructure, and they ultimately improve their quality of service, deployment delays, customer satisfaction. How did we came up with the startup idea? So along with my co-founders, we gather past experiences in both computer vision research and field operations. Working in construction companies, infrastructure companies, we realized how hard it was for these companies to really know, what was happening in the field. And we saw that the key could be found in the pictures if only it could be automated in a massive way. And that's how we found out that computer vision really was a key to solve that field problem.